In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a video clip in CapCut Desktop. If you want to reuse the same clip more than once in your edit, duplicating it is one of the easiest and most useful things you can do. It helps when you're building repeats, creating emphasis, or simply placing the same shot in another part of your timeline without having to import it again. Let's go through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. After that, import a video into your project so you have a clip ready to work with. Next, add the video to the timeline. This is important because the duplication process happens directly from the clip placed in the timeline, not just from the media library. Once the clip is on the timeline, click on the video clip to select it. Make sure it's clearly highlighted so you know CapCut is focused on the correct clip. Now, right-click the selected clip. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Copy. This tells CapCut to save that exact clip selection so you can place a duplicate elsewhere in your project. After copying the clip, move the playhead to the location where you want the duplicated version to appear. The playhead acts as your placement marker, so take a second to position it carefully. When it's in the right spot, right-click an empty area on the timeline. Then click Paste. CapCut will insert the copied clip at that point in the timeline. There's also a faster method if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Instead of using the right-click menu, you can press Ctrl+C to copy the selected clip, and then press Ctrl+V to paste it. This can save time, especially if you're editing quickly or duplicating clips multiple times. Once the clip has been pasted, review your timeline carefully. Check the clip placement and make sure it appears where you intended. Then click the play button to preview the duplicated clip in context with the rest of your edit. Watching it back helps you confirm that the duplicate fits smoothly into your sequence. Finally, confirm that the video clip has been successfully duplicated. If you can see the copied clip in the timeline and it plays correctly during preview, then the process is complete. And that's how to duplicate a video clip in CapCut Desktop.